Starting off, I'm cutting the yams into bite-sized pieces. I use about 3 to 4 medium yams for this recipe. In a large pot, add 2.5 cups of water with 4 sugar canes, depending on how sweet you want it. Once the yams are soft and the sugar canes are fully melted, you can add milk to even out the sweetness. Now we're gonna move on to the next recipe. Here are all the ingredients you're going to be using. Starting off, I'm cutting my pie crust into fourths. Now I'm going to start filling each pie. For the fillings, I use apple and pumpkin, but you could choose whichever you want. With a fork, seal the edges of the pie. Now, since I was feeling a little creative, I'm going to make pumpkins. For this, I cut 4 circles for 2 pumpkins. Right here, I'm just carving a face on the front side of the pie. Right here, we're just repeating the same process. Lastly, just add a light layer of egg wash. Bake them in the oven for about 15 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.